Welcome to this tutorial video on how to create a sheet in the Standard module. To create a sheet, click the Create Sheet button. Let me enter the sheet name and column name to create the sheet. I am going to enter the sheet name as Inventory Management. And column name as Item Name. I require more columns in this sheet, so I am going to add a column by clicking the Add button to insert it into the sheet. Now, let me add the column name for the newly added column. I require more columns in this sheet, so I will add the necessary columns and enter names for them. Now I am all set. To save the sheet with the created column, click the tick icon at the top of the screen. Open the created sheet by simply clicking on the sheet. Now that the sheet with columns has been created,